look at the COVID vaccine employee clinic at the University of Kansas Health System. The staff there is doing everything they can to be ready as soon as the vaccine arrives. We asked them when they think that will be, and they told us that it could start as early as this week, possibly tomorrow. Truman Medical Center in Kansas City vaccinated its first frontline worker today. And of course, it's just the very first phase of a very long process. But people at the hospital say it's reason for hope. KCTV5's Betsy Webster is live there tonight with this story. Betsy.
Well, Ellen, you pretty much said it. You heard at the very start, the chief medical officer here referred to this as the beginning of the end. Just the beginning, a long way to go, but a concrete sign of hope for people who have seen so much suffering.
I just keep imagining all the patients I've watched die in this time, all the patients who I've FaceTimed with their families on their deathbed.
ICU nurse Sarah Kiehl has been on Truman's COVID unit since day one. When she offered her arm at 2 p.m., that's where her mind was, back in the ICU.
I could see their faces in my mind and just thinking, like, this might be how we finally get out of this really tragic, heavy time.
The first vaccine shipment arrived this morning on dry ice to keep at 94 below zero. Each day, they will defrost just what they need in a fridge for 3 hours, then go through a precise process of inverting each vial 10 times, diluting, then inverting once more. Pharmacy critical care resident Sarah Lauterwasser practiced with empty vials in anticipation of this moment.
It was historic, monumental were the two words that come to my mind.
This is a big day for us, and I think this will be a big uplift for all of us.
Nurse Kiehl didn't know until today that she would be the first to face the needle, something she says didn't hurt any more than a flu shot, but meant so much more.
To be honest, I got butterflies. It was really exciting to get to, it feels like a little bit of hope, a little bit of light, a little bit of chance that we might start to see some healing. Not bad at all.
Hope, light, and healing, wonderful things. The hospital's chief medical officer said they intended to have about 40 people lined up to get vaccinated today. He would not say exactly how many doses they received at the hospital today, but said that they expect to get weekly shipments hereafter. Reporting live in Kansas City, Missouri, Betsy Webster, KCTV5 News.
Thanks, Betsy. And